Alright, hello everyone. Grab a pencil and paper. This is going to be the first video in a series of videos on adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. So if you don't have pencil and paper, grab it right now. And what I want you to do is write two fractions that have different denominators. Alright, I hope you paused the video and wrote down two fractions with different denominators. What does that mean? Well, let's use the example of 1/2 plus 3/10. Those are two fractions with different denominators. And when we add fractions with different denominators, you cannot just add right across it. Let's use this as an example of why we can't. 1/2 plus 3/10, if we add right across, we say 1 plus 3 is 4. And we say 2 plus 10 is 12. We'd get 4/12 if we did it this incorrect way. And we know 4/12 cannot be correct because 1/2 is already 1/2 and we're adding to 1/2. 4/12 is less than 1/2, right? Because 6/12 would be equal to 1/2, right? So that is called an equivalent fraction. So those are some basics that you want to know before we start. This is just the very beginning. So we cannot add like that, all right? That's what this is all about. But what you can think of is you can say, okay, well, 1/2 is equal to 5/10. And you can add 5/10 to 3/10. It's like saying 5 apples and 3 apples. It's the same thing. 5/10 plus 3/10, and because they're both tenths, you would get 8/10. And if you know anything about decimals, you know that too, right? If you add decimals, 5/10 plus 3/10 equals 8/10. Okay, so that's just an example to get us started for what we're doing in this series of videos. If you need to go back and learn anything else about equivalent fractions or why you can't add denominators, maybe take a minute and try to understand that. Look for some other videos on that, but you want to make sure you understand that. So stick around for the next series of videos and keep your pencil and paper handy.